A movie set to be released next month tells the inside story of one of the most famous and controversial court cases in U.S. history.
But we weren't deficient, so we did nothing. And now they're coming after the unborn. And so you're going to do nothing?
Roe v. Wade, the movie, seeks to reveal the truth behind the landmark 1973 Supreme Court case that legalized abortion. The film's co-writer says the real story is not the one that's being taught in schools. The movie opens on Good Friday, April 2nd. And joining us now is Dr. Alveda King, executive producer of Roe v. Wade and pastoral associate of Priests for Life. Dr. King also has a cameo appearance in the movie as well. Dr. King, thank you so much for joining us. Always so great to be with you. Talk to us more about this movie that is, and your involvement. Why was it so important to you?
It's a blessing to join you as well. And I am executive producer, just one. There are others, and the creator of the film, Nick Loeb, Kathy Alwyn, who the two of them were really the driving factor here. It's been bathed in a lot of prayer. I was so honored to be invited to participate on different levels with the film for many reasons. One, Dr. Mildred Faye Jefferson, who is featured in the film, a great hero, and we've got Women's Month starting here in March, and just Black History Month just left, and she was a pro-life doctor who gave her all as a champion for life. So that was very inspiring. And then I work at Priests for Life, work very closely with Father Frank Pavone, Janet Miranda, the whole team of pastoral associates, and I'm a pastoral associate. And at Civil Rights for the Unborn, it's very important to let people know that abortion is linked to eugenics and genocide. It doesn't recognize that we are one blood and one human race for the womb to the tomb. So on so many levels. And also, I woke up in 1983 and realized that my own secret abortions and my miscarriage that was tied to that were harmful. And I had invaded the civil rights of little babies in the womb. So that's just some of the reasons I was excited. And to tell the truth about how abortion became legal in America, the whole world watched and began to follow.
Yeah, and the movie is said to tell the real story of how Roe v. Wade, that is, was decided by the Supreme Court. Tell us more about that. What's in this movie that maybe people don't know or would be surprised to know about?
What people did not know in 1973, when abortion became legal, honest to goodness, I was in that group too. We didn't know if it was really a baby. You couldn't see it with the natural eye. There was no 4D ultrasound and all of that. And so people maybe sincerely did not understand that they were violating the civil rights and human rights of people. So that's something that has changed since that bad law was passed. The manipulation with Norma McCorvey, Sandra Kano, they were looking for different people who could be poster children who wouldn't understand the message and what they were doing. And so you had a lot of angry women and men thinking they were doing something right to do justice to some of the causes of feminism and all of that. But the answer was never going to be violate the civil rights of little babies. So I believe that the movie works very hard in an objective way to show people how that bad law came to be.
And before we let you go, why do you think this movie is so important for everyone to see, not just pro-lifers, and especially now, why is this movie important?
Well, the premiere was this month, and it's going to break out on streaming and available to the full public on April the 2nd on Good Friday. Father Frank Pavone was there at the premiere. My goddaughter, Angela Stanton King, many of my very, very good friends were there, and I was there in spirit. I believe that it's very important for us to continue to get the message about the sanctity of life from the womb to the tomb, and to find out how abortion became legal in America, so that we won't ever let legislation like that slip by again.
Well, Dr. King, thank you so much for being with us, and thank you so much for what you do. We appreciate it.
God bless you. Thank you.